What you doing?
We got a phone call.
No. Please don't do this. No, it's not. Oh my God.
You called and he called.
No, yes, because my car. I need help with my car, sir.
What?
I had put my kids in the car, and when I was getting my stuff out the house, my car won't start. It's locked. It's locked. My car is locked. Can you please help me? That's what I'm trying to do. And then I was looking for him. He's up there. He's about to go to walk to work. He got his bag on his backpack, on his back. Yeah, he's about to go to work, because our car is locked. I need you to, can you please help me, sir?
With the
please.
car?
Yes, it's the car. It's the car. Please. I don't know what's wrong. The brakes are off. See, that's my kids are touching home. I tried turning it. It won't turn. It's a brand new car, sir. I'm trying to take him to work.
So did anything happen between you and him?
No, nothing happened. Nothing happened. I swear, nothing happened. Okay. I'm trying to take him to work in my car. It won't start. It won't start.
Okay.
It's a brand new car. There's gas and everything in there.
I thought you had a different car.
Huh?
I thought you had a different.
Yeah, I had a Buick, but see, the ignition went out, so my dad had came to base to pick it up, and I got this new car.
Okay. 43. Can you ask him legality questions? Okay.
Like, sit down, baby. Can you, it won't, when I try to turn it with the key, it won't work.
Because this dude pressed the off button.
What button?
This one. This one.
What's that mean?
That means it's
That's nothing, right? Does that stop the car from starting?
No. That's traction control.
Say, can you just sit down, please? I need help starting my car, sir. I'm sorry.